Smoky, sweet, and just a little spicy. Your guests will love these St. Louis style spare ribs with sweet and spicy rub and root beer sauce. Now, for this rub, I'm mixing together salt, ground black pepper, sweet paprika, dark brown sugar, onion powder, granulated garlic, powdered ancho chili, chipotle chili, cumin, and dry mustard. Reserve the rub and set aside a couple of tablespoons for the barbecue sauce. For the root beer barbecue sauce, start by heating oil in a heavy saucepan. Sauté the onions and garlic for about 10 minutes. Add the ginger, ketchup, root beer, cider vinegar, lemon juice, water, brown sugar, the rub that you set aside, black pepper, and cloves, and simmer for about 15 minutes until the flavors are blended. Continue cooking until the sauce begins to thicken, about 20 to 30 minutes. Remember, the ribs will have plenty of spice rub on them, so don't over-season the sauce. Allow the sauce to cool. Now let's make our ribs. Massage the sweet and spicy barbecue rub into both sides of the ribs an hour before you're ready to cook. This barbecue method calls for an indirect cooking side to your grill or smoker, so heat your grill to 250 degrees Fahrenheit using a 2-zone setup with a gas or charcoal grill. Place the ribs, meat side up, on the cool side of the grill. Add a few chunks of hickory or fruit wood to the fire. Close the lid with the vents over the cool meat side to drive the smoke over the ribs. Cook for 1 hour, monitoring the fire carefully to maintain 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray the ribs with root beer spritz at the hour mark. Spray again after 30 minutes. Close the lid and cook for a final 30 minutes, for a total of 2 hours. Tear off 2 sheets of heavy-duty aluminum foil. Double them up and wrap the ribs tightly, giving another spritz of the root beer before sealing the packet. Place the packets, meat side down, on the grill and cook for another 30 more minutes. The ribs should be very tender. Unwrap the ribs and place on the cool side of the grill. Brush both sides with the root beer barbecue sauce. And watch carefully for the next 15 minutes to set the sauce. When ready, serve these delicious ribs with your favorite barbecue side dishes.